Hi, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the new Chambers feature in the Mazes group of the Time Savers add-in. This is going to help you to add chambers that the path will go through on its way from the start to the finish of the maze. So we're going to start off by just adding our maze shape like normal, like that, so you can use any of the maze shapes as usual. Then once you've done that, you're going to go and use this Add Chamber button, and it will insert this group of shapes which has an orange rectangle, a green dot, and a red dot. The orange rectangle shows you the space that the chamber will be, and the green dot is the entrance to the chamber, and the red dot is the exit from the chamber. You can resize this, you can move the dots to wherever you want them to be, and you can have as many as you want, as many chambers as you want. I'm going to start off with just this one to show you. So once I've got that ready, and I've placed it where I want it to be, I can just go and click on the Create Maze button, and it will automatically create a maze where the path goes from the start point to the entrance of that chamber, and then a new path goes from the exit of the chamber to the end point, and it puts in arrows. If you're using the gates option over here, it puts in arrows for you like that to show what direction you need to be going from or into the chamber and out of the chamber. So let me just quickly undo that, and then I'm also going to go and show you can do this with multiple chambers. So I'm going to just duplicate this a few times like that, and then I'll just put another one over there and like this over there. So I have multiple chambers now. You can have them however you want them to be. The order that you insert them, or the Z order, will determine the direction that the path takes. Okay, so if I go over here now, I've got these 6. I can also, like I said, I can change the direction or the positioning of these dots. So if I want the entrance to be more like that and the exit to be more like this and so on, I can do that. Then I can go over here and click on Create Maze, and it will create the maze going from the start to the entrance of the first one, then from the exit of the first one to the entrance of the second one, and continuing like that. So it's going like that. In this case, my chambers were in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it goes to the exit over there. So that's the order that it's going. If I wanted it in a different order, I would have to rearrange them like this. If it can't make the path, it will tell you, and it will number the chambers so you can see what order they need to be in, so that you can rearrange them more easily. And you can just click on the Create Maze button again, and it will create your maze with the new order that I had over there. So now it's going from this one to that one, and then from this one to this one, and from this one to this one over here, and then to the exit over there. And that's how you use the new Add Chamber button in the Mazes group. I hope that's been helpful, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you. Goodbye.